What's up, YouTube? This RC Guru with a short video. Lately, I've been messing with the mini drift cars. Got a couple bodies, and I seen what the hell is it? 1995 Mitsubishi Eclipse. This should be it. So this will be one of the bodies I probably use later on for one of the mini drift cars. Let's see what we got. Oh, I picked that up too a couple days ago. My Walmart rig. Probably be a prop or something on the mini drift track. So that should be alright. This is it. Send my car through there, go folks. 1995 Mitsubishi Eclipse. That junk should be pretty sweet. New decals, okay. Probably don't even use the decal stickers. But yeah, that's it, folks. 1/25 scale. 1995 Eclipse. God damn. These jumps used to be alright back in the day. Let's see, it got something to come with it. Look like a detailed engine. Got the wheels. 2 rear wing spoilers. Optional racing seats. Oh, that's what's up. That's pretty dope. Yeah, I'm just using the body for my BMIX. But yeah, that's what's up. Classic. 1995 Eclipse, y'all. There you have it. Yeah, that's what's up. Come with the little optional wing and the seat. Sweet. Gave me a little card too if y'all ever want like some kits and stuff. B-Town Hobby. Appreciate it, bro. Alright, y'all, that's about it. Appreciate y'all watching the short video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. RC Guru, I'm out.